Okay guys, what's up? Same as yesterday, the work computer. We're in on some shorts here on Euro USD. Took entry here, stop loss up here. And it's moving, and then we're also in on GBP JPI. We're also in, as yesterday, if you saw my video on the weekly, why would price reverse from here? Why would it reverse from here? There is no point. We need to go under this low to reverse. So we're targeting first profit here, and then we're letting the rest run down here. It doesn't make sense. And then we also get a break of structure towards where we believe price will go. So I will give you guys an update later. We're just gonna check USD fast. It's been consolidating for a while also, and this was also news, so we had to wait. But I will update you guys. Peace.
Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you have seen the video from work, we were in GBP's shorts and the EURUSD shorts. Today actually it was not the best day because of news, so we had to do what we could, but we did a few mistakes today actually. Even though we're up, we made a few mistakes, and that's not okay. First of all, it was a clean trade. We're coming up the same lines as I said before on the video on my phone. Why should we bounce from this zone? This is the same thing as the previous video. There's no bounce. There's no bounce points. So why should we go up from here? Here's the imbalance. Here's the orders. We want price to go here. So we're going down on the 5 minutes. We couldn't trade at 9 today because of news. It was so tight. We had a tight gap of like 2.5 hours that we could trade. We took an entry here when we come up to this zone. This is the 30-minute zone, this one, and we were looking also at this imbalance. So first of all, I was waiting for this one to get filled. On MT4 chart, it's not the same, exactly the same. This is not a hit. There's still imbalance above, but we took our first entry when we came up, and we broke the low here. And then we took the trade like this, and we were just waiting for price to go down to our move here. We came up again. I took out half position. You see, took out half position. We're coming up again. We're grabbing again, going down. This was the filling move, so we took the trade here, had our stop loss here, and targeted down. The mistake I did today was I took out way too early. I was not waiting for the low here. I was waiting for price to get down to our low. I have a rule here in my playbook here, structure. Did you exit on the right place / make sense zones? No, I didn't. And I cannot do stuff like this because we need to trade like robots, no emotions. But overall, clean trade, took out way too early. Shit like that cannot happen, no emotions. It would have been better I took out when we filled this imbalance, because I was like a 1 to 3 because we got a tight entry. But I cannot take out here. I need to wait because here is the place where the higher time frame wants to go. So it's just stupid The better thing I would have done is take my stop loss to break even, and that's a break even trade. It's not even a good trade. And EURUSD, we're looking for this zone, the same thing. This was at yeah, it was 1 p.m. News were at 2:30. So let me check really fast. News, we got EURUSD short, EURUSD short, those two. Same here. Stupid mistakes. I'm taking way too early. Way too early. Super bad exit for me. Took the trade here. I was in. Let me see. Yeah, 110. I was in from this point. Had my stop loss here. We got down. Took my stop loss here. Stupid mistake again. I need to have it here because, as the last video also, there's imbalance above, so I cannot put down my stop loss. But we trade and we learn. We always need to learn. And then we saw this fill. I'm coming in again. Stop loss here because the imbalance is already filled. And I took out everything when we broke this low, because it was close to news. I could have held it because I were going in with a much larger lot size on this one and this one too. I was loading up, but those two failed, and we got it back with this one. It's a partial, that's why. But unfortunately, I would have held if the news weren't as 4:30. We cannot hold through news, so we cannot hold. But we ended the week strong. We're on a 4-day win streak, and we just need to keep our losses small. So this is a loss. This should have been a loss, but as our risk management gets better, we got a plus 91. This should have also been a loss, but we got a plus 91. This should have been a minus 300. We got a minus 100. This should have been a minus 300, and we got a 176. So it's a really good risk management on this side of the red trades. But this stuff cannot happen. This one should have been 1,000, and I should have kept both of them because it ran a lot, but there were not enough lot size, if I did like that. This day is a good day. Super clean trade, break even, and again here minus 50. Small losses. The wins we don't care about if we exit at the right place, but shit like this cannot happen when we have a trade like this. And EURUSD, super stupid. So that's the thing, keep the losses small and the winners big. Because if I hadn't kept the risk management intact, then this one would have been 300, and this one would have been this should have been a break even. But yeah, this GBP JPI trade. So when you're in a trade like this, you need to think that the probability is on your side, because we're bearish on the 30-minute. This zone is trash because there's no imbalance backing it up, so this is just fake move for me. You see, we came up strong here and we were not even looking for buys because it's just stupid in my opinion. But when you're in a trade as this one, and you want, if the news was not coming, I would have held it down here. But you can never think that your trade is 100% gonna win. You always need to think the probability is on my side. There's more probability the trade will go in my direction, uh, and lower probability going towards your stop loss. That's how you're gonna think. And you always need to believe price will go further than you have thought, because if you do not think like that, then you cannot catch moves like this or moves like this. The price can go boom. For example, here I would have taken partials here, gone out for the 4 hour. And what do we have here? We're bearish right now. I would have targeted this. Of course I would have taken partials. And that's a good trade. And I believe that was everything. Good day. Just stupid mistakes we learn, and we could keep going forward as usually. So have a nice weekend, guys, and start backtesting. And have a nice day. Peace.